while no one's ever been successful because they're great accountants, lots of businesses have failed because of bad accounting. Lots. Like probably half the businesses that fail because they really didn't watch the accounting. And it's a huge problem, and it's one that entrepreneurs cannot afford to just throw up their hands and go, oh, I don't like all that accounting stuff. I say, well, then you're going to go broke. You don't have to do the accounting. You don't have to get a master's in accounting, but you'd better have a fundamental understanding of the difference between the income statement and the balance sheet, the difference between profit and cash flow, understanding true cost versus your perceived cost. You can do proper pricing. And the only thing worse than a cheap lawyer is a cheap accountant. That might be even worse. If you're paying $300 a year for accounting fees, you're not getting any accounting insight like you should be getting. And whatever a good accountant charges, you should be able to make 10 times more than that. If a smart accountant comes in and gives you insights into your costing or into your labor or into how to save on unemployment insurance or whatever, if they can give you some insight and they charge you $8,000 a year, you probably can make $50,000 a year from the advice. So I can't, and that wasn't a shill in the audience, I can't agree more that small business people need to pay attention to the accounting, and they need to, it's back to afford. I can't afford a good accountant. You can't afford to not have a good accountant. So you need to find somebody that will help you with that until you're big enough to have someone in-house that can function as your CFO, and it's a huge problem, I would tell you.